अब तो देख नहीं पाएगा।
भाई जो भी चल रहा है मस्त चल रहा है, क्या ही लग रहा है।
वीडियो तो ऐसे बनाते ना, देख अपनी आँख से फॉर्मूलाज
मैं समझ नहीं आ रहा
In the last century, black holes have gone from being mathematical curiosities to real objects in the cosmos,
ब्लैक होल के बारे में बताया।
seemingly crucial to the formation of galaxies. Nothing can escape it.
ये गैलेक्सी
स्टार्स कितने अच्छे दिख रहे हैं, वैसे दिखते हुए बना रहे हैं।
Black holes. Sitting around our galaxy, nothing there to light them up. Millions and millions of black holes. Sitting around our galaxy, nothing there to light them up.
ये अच्छा लगता है मुझे।
Black hole is a singularity. It's quantum infinity. Accepted laws of physics right now.
वो ये क्या भाई,
मैं 2-4 घंटे हो बैठा हूँ।
आराम से ये भी रिलैक्सिंग है।
मैंने
हाँ
ब्लैक होल खा गया सब।
मैं हाथ
मोरे तू इधर का पार्ट शूट कर, शिवम तू उधर का ही कर ली जब आए तो तगड़ा सा।
क्या ही लग रहा है।
कुछ भी हो, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
ओह नो, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता।
Good morning and welcome to Nehru Planetarium. I'm Ashik Bharat. Meanwhile, switch off your mobile phone and camera. Starting.
वैसे करा गया था।
तू भी कर रहा है ना? देखो मुझे कोई भाई बिल्कुल रियल लग रहा है मुझे।
Welcome to the planetarium.
शिवम मेरे पास नहीं है।
लाइफ का पहला ऐसा है इवेंट जो बहुत अच्छा लगा।
वंडरफुल मोमेंट कभी भूलने नहीं।
So close. ये कौन सा है?
That's वो क्या ही लग रहा है। Goosebumps.
कितना
Goosebumps आ रहे हैं। कोई अजीब सा नहीं लग रहा।
अजीब सा लग रहा है।
ऐसा लग रहा है सच में हिल रहे हैं हम।
ये लोग अपना दिखा रहे हैं।
ये इधर का है नेहरू यूनिवर्सिटी।
कितना अच्छा है, क्लियर बिल्कुल।
नीचे की
तो क्या चाहिए, उनको भी एक्सपीरियंस करनी चाहिए ये चीज़। पेपर के बाद आऊँगा, रिजल्ट आने के बाद।
पहले प्लानिंग बना रहे हैं।
The sun has set.
स्ट्रेस ना
Slowly, darkness
थोड़ा
will
छाती पे
increase.
कर लो और ऊपर।
Thousands of stars, all twinkling, have appeared in the sky. For thousands of years, man has been
मैं शूट
living
करूँगी।
under the night sky. Oh, the moon is also visible, with all its dry seas, valleys, and mountains. Look at those beautiful stars in that circle. That is popularly known as Winter Circle. Look here, this is the constellation Taurus or Vrishabha. Nearby is the constellation Orion, the hunter or Mahavyadha. Orion is followed by its faithful hunting companion, Canis Major, Brihalabhaga, referred to as a dog. To the side of Canis Major is Canis Minor, a small dog with little imagination. If we add flesh to these bones, the whole region appears to be with animals and warriors.
लेट के बनाओ, बढ़िया एकदम।
स्टार से बनता है इमेजिनेशन।
जोड़ने
Look to
पर
the
बन रहा है।
north. Look at these stars. This is in the form of a bear, the Great Bear, or Saptarishi Mandal. If we join these two stars of the Great Bear and follow them towards the north, we reach the pole star, Polaris or Dhruv. Pole star is located in another constellation
ये दोनों
known
हैं,
as
Polaris
Ursa
और
Minor or Little Bear. Now these are the three tail stars of Great Bear. If we join these three stars in an arc and extend it, we come to this bright star, Arcturus or Swati.
असली में देखा हूँ।
This star is in the constellation Boötes or Bhuta. Nearby, here, these stars appear to be in the form of a
जो
lion.
इम्पोर्टेंट है वो देखो।
This is Leo, the lion, or Simbha Rashi.
सिंह राशि, विरगो।
To the east of Leo is the constellation Virgo or Kanya.
वही तो राशियाँ
Now look at this bright object in this
तो
view.
मेरी है।
This is not a star, but a planet, Saturn or Shine. Saturn is the second biggest planet in our solar system.
घर में 2-3 लोगों से निकल जाती है।
It has rings that can be seen even with a small telescope.
शूट करता रहेगा, वीडियो मत लो। Fabulous.
वही क्या लग रहा है।
उसके बाद फिर
टकरा गए।
फिर वापस चले जाएंगे ना।
कितना अच्छा लग रहा है देखिए। Jupiter है ना? अच्छा, उसके लिए
Voyager spacecraft has discovered that these rings are made up of tiny pieces of ice, rocks, and dust.
शूट कैसे करा हुआ है इन्होंने?
AI जनरेटेड है पूरा।
अरे यार पूरा थोड़ी हुआ है ये
AI जनरेटेड है असली तो।
जनरेटेड इतना रियल नहीं लग सकता ना।
आजकल कुछ भी हो सकता है।
मुझे तो ये एरिया अच्छा लग रहा है। बाय बाय।
सारे प्लैनेट्स आएंगे शायद ऐसे। कुछ नहीं।
Saturn, along with 7 planets, go around the Sun. Our planet Earth is one of them. All these are part of our solar system.
देश को भी शूट करता हूँ अच्छे से मूवी के लिए।
We hope that you will try to take some time out and look up at the sky and try to figure out some of the lovely constellations that you have recognized today. Thank you.
तो
ऊपर से शूट में कुछ नहीं कह रहे, थोड़ा ऊपर से ले सकता है। Also scripted by Nehru Planetarium, मुंबई। शूट करे इतना फोन दिख नहीं रहा, आराम से बढ़िया से शूट कर। वो खुद भी यही देख रहे।
The sight of the stars makes me dream,
लैंडस्केप में
said the painter Vincent van Gogh. By day we can forget that we live in a vast and mysterious universe. But at night, gazing at the starry sky fills us with wonder and questions. What is the universe? How big is it? Will we humans ever travel to deep space? Are there alien beings out there looking at the stars just as we do? Is someone in distant space looking back at us right now? The question has intrigued people through the ages.
मैं इसे पहले सोचा
Is
था।
life a miracle unique to the earth? Or is there life everywhere in the universe? The answer to this question of cosmic life lies in our understanding of the origin of the universe, the formation of the solar system, and the evolution of life on Earth. To understand the nature of the universe, let's go for a random walk in the sky.
Random
The Orion constellation is a good place to start because it reveals the challenges to life in a violent universe. Some stars, like Rigel, are gigantic infernos compared to the Sun. Rigel is 50,000 times brighter. The red giant Betelgeuse is about 250 times larger than the Sun. It's a dying star that has massively expanded before fading.
Oh wow.
One day, our life-giving sun will also become a red giant and expand till it reaches Earth's orbit and even beyond, destroying all life on Earth.
अरे हमें मर जाएंगे यार।
Don't worry, this won't happen for billions of years.
अर्थ ये रिपीट है।
The death of a star can be spectacular, but there are also stars being born in various spectacles. A telescope view of Orion's belt reveals a dazzling cloud of gas and dust called the Orion Nebula, a birthplace of countless stars. It is believed that our Sun, with all its planets, was formed from a similar cloud about 5 billion years ago.
ब्लैक हो जाएगा।
नहीं,
कहाँ पर है वो?
शायद स्टार वगैरह है शायद।
अपनी कंट्री में कहीं दूसरी।
As we walk away from
ऐसे रहे
Orion,
भाई, नींद आ
we
रही
find stars much younger
घर
than
का
our
मुझे ऐसा
Sun,
चाहिए, ऐसा हो।
including Sirius, the brightest star in the sky, nicknamed the Dog
सीरियस
Star.
की स्पेलिंग गलत है, मैं
In
इसके लिए लड़ाई
fact,
करूंगी।
Sirius is a double star with an invisible companion called the Pup. Nearby, we come upon a comparatively young star cluster called the Pleiades in the constellation Taurus. Sirius and the Pleiades were formed about 100 million years ago, when there were dinosaurs on Earth.
कुछ
In
में
contrast,
stars है
our
ना।
sun, 50 times older, could be called a great-great-grandfather.
जहाँ पे
We
कोई
can walk
पैटर्न
by
बन रहा है वही
another example of colossal violence in the constellation Taurus.
Messier 1 Crab Nebula.
The Crab Nebula is a gaseous cloud, the remains of a star that exploded. When this supernova burst 1,000
Star
years ago, people on Earth
Star
saw
नहीं
it
तो।
as a very bright
Crab
star
Nebula।
that looked like a crab. It was visible for many days, even during daytime. If there were living things nearby, the sudden explosion would surely have surprised them. We don't have to worry about such a surprise. Our sun is too small to become a supernova.
सन भी इसके सामने बहुत छोटा है सुपरनोवा।
Would the sky look the same to other beings in space as it does to us? We know that in some places the view would be very poor. In the constellation Sagittarius, for example, there is a globular cluster of more than 500,000 stars, most of them brighter than Sirius, the brightest star we can see. The cluster is one of the most beautiful sights in the sky. For any intelligent beings in the Sagittarius neighborhood, it would be overhead constantly flooding the night sky with brilliant light and color.
जो बच्चा उतर के जाए ना
Imagine
उसको
such a
रिग्रेट
view
होगा।
night after night.
थोड़ा सा पेन झेल लेता तो
When we on Earth face the Sagittarius constellation,
उसको रिग्रेट
we are actually looking towards the very center of our own galaxy, the Milky Way. We are just a tiny part of the
तो हमारी
galaxy.
गैलेक्सी का नाम है।
The Milky Way has more than 100 billion stars. But our galaxy is just part of a cluster of 20 other nearby galaxies. And the cluster is a part of a supercluster of thousands of galaxies. And the supercluster is a part of a supercluster, and so on. Some believe there is a filament-like structure to the universe made up of more than 100 billion galaxies in all. It is hard to comprehend the enormity of the universe, whose total mass in tons is estimated to be the number 20 followed by 48 zeros. 20 trillion tons. It is hard to imagine such a prodigious amount of matter, let alone explain how it all came about. It is very difficult to know exactly how the universe began.
सबसे बड़ी कौन सी गैलेक्सी?
Some believe that it neither had a beginning nor will it have an end.
देखने में तो यही लगता
Others think that our universe was born about 15 billion years ago with a gigantic explosion, the Big
है।
Bang.
दूसरे प्लेनेट के अंदर भी तो जा ही सकते हैं।
As the Big Bang began, all the matter we see in the universe formed a primordial fireball, trillions of degrees hot, and so incredibly dense that a teaspoon of it would weigh billions of tons. When this fireball suddenly expanded, it created space and dispersed matter through it. Over time, as matter cooled, gravity concentrated some of the matter into the first stars and galaxies. There were no witnesses. Life had not yet arrived. The first stars born were composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. But the hot core of these stars cooked the atoms of these light and abundant elements into the dozens of heavier elements we find in the universe today. When these first generation stars died, all of these elements were released into interstellar space, where they formed the star generations that have followed ever since, making the universe richer and richer in heavier elements.
को अच्छे से समझा जाए तो बहुत नॉलेज है इसमें भी।
Our sun, probably a third generation star, is made up mainly of hydrogen, but it also contains heavier elements produced by the previous generations of stars. The Earth and other planets in our solar system were formed as byproducts left over from the formation of the sun. All the matter that makes up our world, from the water we drink to the food we eat, the clothes we wear and the houses we live in, everything, including the ingredients of our own bodies, once existed in the hot interiors of massive stars and was then thrown into the cold emptiness of interstellar space. We are all made of stardust, as the poets have written. Your right hand may contain elements from one collapsed star, and the left hand matter from a different star. Said the astronomer Carl Sagan, the cosmos is within us.
भाई नींद आने लगी।
सही में
It appears that whenever a star is formed, planets are also likely to form.
एस्ट्रोनॉट्स को भी ऐसे
If this is true, there could be hundreds of billions of planets in our Milky Way galaxy alone. And with over 100 billion galaxies in the whole universe, there could be trillions and trillions of planets.
हम दूसरी गैलेक्सी में तो जा ही सकते हैं।
Even among about 50 of the stars nearest to us, astronomers have found some evidence that 3 of those planets,
टेस्टिंग नहीं होती।
Epsilon Eridani, Tau Ceti, and Bernard star,
भाई बात मत करो
have planets circling them.
आज जैसा एक और
The
प्लेनेट होगा।
orbiting Hubble Space Telescope captured the first visible light image of a planet around another star, and has detected planets in deep space as
टेक्नोलॉजी
well.
और हाई हो जाए तो हो सकता है।
Given all that the matter in the universe has a common origin in the Big Bang, it is reasonable to assume that if life could erupt in one small planet of an average-sized star in an unremarkable galaxy, it could also have arisen elsewhere. Maybe the whole universe is teeming with life. Millions of stars were formed before the sun, presenting the tantalizing possibility that intelligent beings could have evolved in our own galaxy long before Earth even came into existence. If there's life out there, why has no one communicated with us? The distances that separate us from the stars are so enormous. It is virtually impossible at present to establish contact even with the planet of a nearby star. If we send a radio signal today to the nearby star Sirius, the signal will not reach it for about 8.5 years. If on a planet circling Sirius, there were intelligent life able to understand the message, their reply would take another 8.5 years to reach us. 17 years to find out if our message was a waste of time. Communicating with more distant planets would take centuries. That did not deter American astronomer Frank Drake, who sent radio messages to a globular cluster in the Hercules constellation 24,000 light years away. He hoped that at least one of its 500,000 stars might have a planet with advanced beings able to send a return message.
जो भी मस्त है।
Astronomers such as Drake, Carl Sagan have also tried to detect signals coming from any of the 500 nearest stars. Without success, so far.
यूएसए का कहीं का है शायद।
If we ever do receive
NASA
signals
USA
from an extraterrestrial civilization, it will be the biggest news story in history.
ज़्यादा चांसेस है नासा के।
Radio signals are one thing, but what are the chances we could actually venture out into deep space someday and meet extraterrestrial beings? With present-day technology, a spacecraft can travel about 50,000 kilometers per hour. If we set out today for the star nearest to us, Alpha Centauri, it would take about 100,000 years to reach it.
इस स्पीड से जाए
What
तो
if we
100,000
travel at the speed of light? It would take only 4.5 years.
4.5
But it's impossible to go that fast,
वो
as
light की speed से
Einstein
होगा वो।
proved. To reach the speed of
4.5
light
साल light की
in a
speed से लगता है, सोच
spacecraft
सकता है
weighing 1,000 tons, we would need as much energy as the entire modern world will consume in the next 5,000 years. Imagine, however, if the future brings us new sources of energy and miraculous technologies for faster travel. Maybe we could someday journey to the nearest star in just a few hundred years. It is not unthinkable. Who could have imagined when the Wright brothers first flew that we could have a reusable space shuttle in less than 80 years? Let's daydream about an historic event in the future,
100 साल बाद क्या
which has been briefly delayed.
शेयरिंग स्पेस
नेल्लोर आंध्र
Our
प्रदेश।
satellite solar power station was hit by a meteorite this morning. The microwave transmitter was damaged. A repair craft has reached the station with technicians, and the transmitter is expected to be operational within a few hours. The Minister of Energy has conveyed a regret for the power cut due to this accident.
The delay is minor, and preparations continue for a momentous space mission. The Indian spaceport is about to launch the 1,000-ton spaceship Chandragupta,
असली नहीं है
named for an
ये बता रहा है
ancient
100 साल बाद क्या हो सकता है
emperor. The goal
इसका नाम?
to make the first direct contact with a civilization beyond Earth. A journey that will cover
अगर
100
बना रहे
trillion
हैं तो भी ऐसी
kilometers.
इमेजिनेशन हो सकती है।
The historic departure will be telecast live around the world.
ये अगर बन गया ना
मैं भी जाऊँगा फिर से एक बार ट्राई।
Beyond the spaceport, millions have assembled for a glimpse of the unique spacecraft as it sets out on the first ever voyage to an extraterrestrial civilization.
मुझे ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है
Chandragupta's trip will take 600 years.
लग तो रहा
The
है।
destination is the star Epsilon Eridani, from which radio telescopes around the world have been receiving intelligible and continuous radio signals. All the astronauts, 123 men and women, have entered the spaceship, and it has been sealed.
ये अगर बन गया सोच
The world bids farewell to a crew of heroes who dare to embark on a journey of no return. The present astronauts will spend all their lives in the spacecraft, as will their children and grandchildren, and so
अजीब सा
on.
लग रहा है।
इसे उड़ाएं कैसा
After
लगेगा
centuries of travel and many generations, the mission will be completed by distant descendants of today's crew.
10, 9, 8, 7,
उड़ा रहे हैं देख देख
6,
देख देख
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off!
बहुत अजीब लग रहा है। पेट में अजीब सा हो रहा है ना।
पेट में क्यों हो रहा है?
थोड़ी भूख भी लगी है ना इसलिए।
मैं रिलैक्स महसूस कर रहा हूँ
रिलैक्स फील कर रहा है, आंखों में दर्द कर रहा है।
नहीं
all of you are coming. We had a fantastic launch, and we are about to see some
बहुत
fantastic.
बड़ा है ना, इसलिए दिक्कत हो रही है थोड़ी सी मुझे।
At our hyper cruising speed,
थोड़ा कम जूम करके
we are
दिखाना है,
already
इतने ज़्यादा
approaching
जूम
the
से दिक्कत हो रही है।
breakfast will be served
तभी
when
तो
we
असली
launch.
लगेगा।
We are
ब्लू फ्लेम
descending
किस
to
में
give
निकलती है?
you a
अनसैचुरेटेड,
view of the
सैचुरेटेड?
desert planet.
पता नहीं।
According to our gauges, the surface temperature on Venus is 860 degrees Fahrenheit,
एलियन भी देख कर
hot enough to vaporize any
बहुत
liquid
खतरनाक
water
है।
and even to melt lead.
इससे पहले वाला ज़्यादा खतरनाक था।
The clouds are made of
कौन सा
sulfuric
वाला?
acid.
यही तो था।
When it rains on Venus,
यही तो है, अभी
the
तक चल ही
surface
रहा
is
है।
so hot the droplets evaporate
अब
before
जाके
hitting
रिलैक्स
the ground.
मार्स।
Ahead, the red planet Mars
मार्स पे तो लाइफ
is
लाइफ आ
also a
रही है।
desert planet,
क्या तो
but
है?
Mars is not boiling hot like Venus. It's 70 degrees right now,
ये किसने
but
बना
it will
दिया?
be 100 degrees below freezing tonight.
अब जी सकते हैं।
You can see a popular
Mars पे पहुंच
resort
गया?
filled with tourists from Earth on a Martian holiday. It may not be Barbados, but the view is unbeatable.
फील्ड बना रखी है।
We're
इसके
feeling
अंदर
the
ऑक्सीजन वगैरह
gravitational
होगा ना,
pull of
इसके अंदर
Jupiter.
वरना है नहीं ऑक्सीजन।
As you can see
Come to
out
back
the
for that.
windows, this giant planet is hidden beneath dense cloud layers composed mostly of ammonia and sulfur. The orange storm is a hurricane-like storm that has been raging for at least 300
एक घंटे
years.
ज़्यादा आधे
The storm
40
is so
मिनट के आसपास हो गया बस वो
huge, 3 Earths could fit inside it.
वीडियो को 31 मिनट हो गया।
दूसरी वीडियो ही तो बनाई थी उससे पहले।
दोनों को मैंने वो पॉज करके।
You'll be surprised
सारे
at
प्लेनेट के अंदर लेके जा रही है क्या? ये देखा गया।
ये ले आ गया।
from above. The rings look like blue peaceful, but up close, you can see they're actually
स्ट्रक्चर क्या ही तगड़ा बनाया है इसका।
bedding inside from tiny pebbles to huge boulders.
बाग ऐसे बनते हैं।
ये भैया नीचे उतरिए, अभी सैटर्न में घुसना था हमको।
Ahead, Titan, the
बनाया
moon of Saturn, started at the sun. Its nitrogen-rich atmosphere is designed to speculate that there
ये
may be
कौन सा
some
प्लेनेट है?
life on Titan.
पानी जुपिटर सा लगा।
Unfortunately, we won't pass the outer planet.
मार्स यही है।
From Titan, our route heads out of the solar system. We're entering interstellar space. If you look backwards, you'll see the retreating sun. The sun we've known and depended upon all our lives now looks no different from any other star.
चेयर्स और कंफर्टेबल
In the hauntingly beautiful, immense void of interstellar space, days seem to fly by. Soon the crew is celebrating their first anniversary in space.
श्योर श्योर
We have overtaken
तुम लोग मेरे साथ हो, मेरे हेल्पर्स।
मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ।
तो ही चला ले।
भाई मैं नहीं चला।
is a disk
मुझे
filled
तो
with
मैंने डिज़ाइन कर दिया जॉब्स।
everything from
अब मैंने लॉन्च करवा दिया था ऊपर आने के लिए, बस बाकी देख लो अपना।
मैं तो लॉन्च कर रहा था। मैं तो नहीं,
scented void
इसका आर्किटेक्चर मैं नहीं बनाया।
मैं नीचे बैठ के आराम से इसको देख रहा हूँ, कंट्रोल करता हूँ बस।
यूनिवर्स
ये मैंने
And the
बनाया है।
spaceship
ये तो अपना है।
ये मैंने बनाया है।
moves
इसे तो उड़ा भी मैं
on
रहा
and
हूँ।
on and on.
अब मैं भी उड़ा रहा
Years
हूँ।
turn to
पीछे वाला
decades
एरिया मैं
and
करता हूँ।
decades turn to centuries.
लिखा मैंने
New
इसके ऊपर।
generations are born and they
डिज़ाइन
spend
मैंने
their
तेरे को बना के
entire
दिया, तूने
lives
बना
in
दिया,
the
मैं उड़ा रहा हूँ।
spaceship, educated by their parents and in turn teaching
मोरे भाई ने
their
कलर करा है
children
इसमें।
about the
कलर क्या
aim
है?
of the mission and the nature
आज जो
of the
तूने कलर किया है
universe.
इसमें।
ये भी
They are the first youngsters in
ISRO,
history who are space born,
NSC,
space raised, and space educated. Imagine yourself as one of
इनमें से
these
कोई से भी एक मैं
children.
हूँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
You are in an astronomy
सबसे आगे।
class, and this
सबसे आगे
is
तो कोई
what
सीट
you are
बैठा ही
learning.
नहीं।
तभी तो मैं हूँ।
It is interesting to note that the objects around us in the cosmos behave in some ways like human beings. They have their time of birth and
लड़का
hour
थक
of
गया।
death.
लड़का
Some
थक
are
गया
lonely
बोलते
and
बोलते।
some have
हाँ
companions.
सही भाई थके।
Some are small and some are giants.
कब है?
और क्या चाहिए तेरे को? 40 मिनट का एपिसोड।
1 घंटे का है राउंड ऑफ देखा जाए तो।
What is true of stars is also true of the galaxies made up of billions of stars. Galaxies come
आज
in
तो
all
देखा भी
shapes
हम
and
नहीं
इसे
sizes.
कहते हैं BIS।
Like people,
बच्चे
some
जल
even
जाएंगे।
crash into one another.
उनको पता चलेगा कहाँ गए थे।
Some galaxies can swallow
तो
other
लग रहा था
galaxies.
बकवास है,
in very
बकवास।
ये
little.
गैलेक्सी टकरा गई।
हाँ
Oddly, though the people in the spaceship hail from Earth, they have never seen their own planet. They have never set foot on any planet. The spaceship is equipped with a powerful telescope, but the Earth is too small to see, and the Sun is just one of billions of stars.
बिग बैंग थ्योरी।
और ये तो सच में
Finally, a long-awaited day is at hand. The centuries of monotonous existence in the spaceship have suddenly turned to excitement.
मजबूर
It has begun with a discovery in the control room.
बनने में बहुत टाइम
Ladies and gentlemen,
हम
I am
तीन यहाँ पर
happy
हैं।
to
सच में
announce
100 years में
that
पहुंच
we have
सकते हैं हम।
spotted a planet ahead
पहुंच
near
सकते
the
हैं,
star
क्यों नहीं पहुंच
Epsilon
हम
Eridani.
नहीं रहे।
More importantly,
बहुत मुश्किल है
we have received radio signals from it,
दूसरा जन्म
and we are calibrating our telescope to
Next.
get
पिछला
detailed
थोड़ा याद
images
रहेगा।
of the planet. It certainly appears
बैठने से
that
मतलब
we are
पिछला
about
याद
to meet
रखना
some form of intelligent life, as our ancestors dreamed. How big do you think this planet is?
ये मेरा पोता है, चला
It
गया
seems to be a very small planet. From my preliminary calculations, it has only 1/10 the surface area of Earth.
With such low gravity, the beings there must be very thin and tall.
एलियंस मिले।
भाई कसम 100 साल बाद जन्म लेते तो ज्यादा सही
Oh,
रहता।
hold on. I calculated wrong. I divided when I should have
2122 में होता है ना,
multiplied.
मुझे
The surface gravity is actually 10
technology होती है हमारे
times
पास
stronger
किस-
than on Earth.
Then we are about to meet very short and thick beings.
It looks like a very cold planet.
Maybe they'll be funny people or funny somethings.
ठीक है भाई,
क्या दिखा दिए, अर्थ लग रही है
अर्थ थोड़ी है।
जहाँ भी है। ये स्पेसशिप आ गया अपना।
Attention everyone, we are descending. Prepare to land. This
इस पे
is
land
the
करेंगे?
moment of truth. Will they
देखने ऊपर
just
मेरे को मूवी लग रही है सच में।
attack us?
हिंदी में होती है ना, और मस्त।
You will be happy to know that we are receiving welcoming signals.
कोई नहीं
It
समझ
turns
पाया।
out that their computers understand our language. They are actually
समझ आने से
inviting us to land.
क्या करूं, हिंदी बहुत ही तो
We have
समझना नहीं
accepted
पड़ता,
the invitation.
प्रोसेस नहीं करना पड़ता।
The dream of our ancestors is about to be
नहीं, हर चीज़ समझ नहीं आ रही ना, थोड़ी बहुत
We
आ
are
रही
about to learn what
है। ओ सिटी बना दी,
extraterrestrials are really like.
बिल्डिंग्स देख।
How will we communicate?
बस बस
Maybe the language of friendship is the
सिर्फ
same
इतनी बड़ी है तो
everywhere in the
सिटी देख
universe.
कितनी बड़ी होगी।
एलियंस
अच्छा, हम एलियंस की सिटी में गए।
ये लहर क्यों रहा है?
The sight of the stars make us dream.
मुझे लगता है अभी तक ये
Is it
सोच रहा था
fantasy
ये सब।
or a vision of the future? Perhaps
ये लड़का
your
vision कर
own
रहा था अभी तक सब
descendants
कुछ।
will make this journey and befriend beings from another corner of the universe.
Astralink USA presents Cosmic Live Script. No lights.
Thank you.